What could this be? Oh, it's so pink. All right, took all those stupid pink things out, most of them at least. Let's bring this into the garage. All right. What is this sticker? Warning, this product can expose you to chemicals which is known to state California cause cancer. Okay, California, shut up, will you please? Does anything in California not cause cancer? All right, so I contacted Granatelli Motorsports. I needed an electronic 3-inch cutout. They sent me this within a week, within 5 days. I contacted JoJo. Dude was the man, hooked me up. And they also sent me a beautiful truck magazine, which seems to be 90% Chevy, but we'll have to dig a little deeper to find some Hemmys in here. Yeah, next time I drop a Dookie, we'll make sure we find something in there. Okay, let's open this up. What the hell was that? All right, cool. So it just gives you a list of what is covered underneath this, what's covered on this install. Instructions on how to install it. That's cool. Put this over here. Oh yeah. I have one hand, guys. Give me a second. That's sweet. That's a sweet dump right there. That's a sweet dump. Stainless steel. That's gorgeous. Thank you. That's beautiful. Look at that. Look at the welds on that. That dime stack. It's beautiful. That's nice. The fact that what I like about this is it's a slip-on. It's not a weld-on. So if I want to take it off and replace it or put something else in place of it, I can. Stainless steel brackets. Stainless steel strap brackets. I contacted Raceland and they only have weld-on cutouts, so that deterred me from, you know, getting a product from them. Another slip-on. But Granatelli apparently has a nice slip-on. I'm going to open that up in a second. Another bag of goodies. This is the wiring for the electronic cutout. Let's open this bad boy up. Oh yeah. This is like Christmas right now, man. Christmas! Look at that. That's beautiful. Listen to the birds chirping. Look at that flange. That weld's nasty. Stainless steel. I'm gonna get my tape measure out and measure this flange to flange. This thing is gorgeous. Little pink popcorn over there. Yeah, this thing's sweet. Pretty thick. I contacted a bunch of vendors on these 3-inch exhaust cutouts, and Granatelli was the one I chose. These little heat shrinks. Look at these little heat shrink. Pretty sweet. All right, what's in here? Nice big cable. And obviously the electronic cutout. Motor. Here's the flange gasket. This gasket goes here. Let's open this up. Okay, this thing, my goodness, this thing's sweet. Look at that. As of right now, this looks top quality. I mean, the billet aluminum, the butterfly, the shaft is half shaft. And of course, I'll have to give a review after a few thousand miles, but right now, up in your face kind of review, this is beautiful. This thing is gorgeous. And obviously this goes onto the flange. When you hit the toggle switch, it opens up and you have, you know, raw power. Here's all your bolts, your spacers. Toggle switch, which goes in the cab. I'll figure out where to put that. Again, this is just an unboxing. I'm just showing you what I got from Granatelli Motorsports. And let me show you where it's going. All right, so here's the ass end of my America Racing long tube header Y pipe. Okay, I cut back a little further because I had a total flow Y pipe collector, and what I'm gonna do is slip that Y pipe from Granatelli in here. It'll connect to my existing exhaust. I'll do the wiring. There'll be a separate video, and I'll show you how it works and how it runs, and I'll also do a review afterwards. All right, so this little 3-inch dump has its own strap onto this flange. Goes here. There'll be a gasket, electric cutout, another gasket, then this flange for the dump. Something like that looks pretty sweet. Of course, I'll rearrange it so it actually works. And I also have to cut my exhaust to fit this setup. So this is so right now with the sleeves, it's 14 and a quarter. 14 and a quarter. So when I cut my exhaust back, again, I'll make sure this fits on nice. Make sure the exhaust fits here and here, and we'll set it up. Whatever configuration I come up with, you'll see in the next video. Stay tuned. I might have to cut some existing pipe that I have and put it into the ARH Y pipe flange, strap it, and then put this in. I'm not sure what to do yet, but I'll figure it out. All right, guys, stay tuned. This is an unboxing for the Granatelli Motorsport 3-inch electric cutout. This thing's sweet. It's very high-end. Beautifully done. The welds are, and you can't beat these welds. They're impeccable. They're beautiful. I mean, this thing's sweet. This thing's sweet. Stay tuned for a video on the installation on this. I'm not sure how I'm gonna execute this. I'm gonna eventually figure it out. I might pull it back a little bit. The transmission cross member is in the way, so I have to figure out where I want to put it. Either probably after that with the Y pipe. This little dump right here. This little 3-inch dump is sweet. I also want to see how this thing sounds once it opens up. It's gonna be sweet. All right, guys, I'll put their link below. If you're interested in getting one of these, I'll put it below. Stay tuned for the install video. That will be very, very soon. Once I get some time, I'll install this. Number one, see how she works. Number two, see how she sounds. All right, guys, till next time. Peace.